Kalamazoo Airport information Alpha 1253 Zulu. Wind calm, visibility 10, sky clear below 12,000, temperature 17, 2.14, altimeter 2988. Visual approach in use, landing and departing runway 17. Notice the airman, runway 17 reels out of service, runway 5 pack is out of service, and no touch and goes on runway 1735 for the time being due to survey work. Advise on initial contact, you have information Alpha.
Alright. Alpha. Set the altimeter. Go ahead.
Kalamazoo Airport information Alpha.
Okay.
1.
Okay. And we got tower frequency in there on the ground.
Western 54 after the restricted low approach at or above 1,400, fly runway heading. And climb and maintain 3,000.
Kalamazoo ground, Cessna 122 Papa Whiskey at the Duncan ramp, information Alpha, ready to taxi for pattern work. Can we get 2-3?
The Kalamazoo ground, hold position. Cessna 2 Papa Whiskey, runway 23, taxi via Charlie holds 417.
Taxi via Charlie, hold short 17, 122 Papa Whiskey.
Cessna 122 Papa Whiskey, runway 23, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 23, 122 Papa Whiskey. Can we get left traffic?
Cessna 2 Papa Whiskey, affirmative, make left traffic.
Make left traffic, 122 Papa Whiskey. Ooh, stuck mic. Gotta love it. Alright, so we'll taxi over here, use as much runway as possible. Go ahead and get it lined up.
Op 3, Kalamazoo Tower, just be advised, Cirrus on a 3-mile final doing restricted low approach, runway 35.
Roger, thank you, Op 3.
Okay, so car beats in, flaps are up, I am secure, doors and windows are locked. Lights are on, brakes release, and full power. Right rudder as needed. Bird. Another bird. There's a rotation point, and we're up. Good on center line. Vision free. A little bit more of a rudder. Still climbing out at 80. Looking for 1400. And we'll go ahead and make our left turn. Pattern altitude, bring the power back, and start our maintenance downwind. our 1700. Rolling those up trim in here. A little bit of power. A little bit of rudder.
Cessna 2 Papa Whiskey, runway 23, cleared for the option.
Clear for the option, runway 23, 2 Papa Whiskey, give me a full stop. And there's our beam point. Car beat.
Cessna 2 Papa Whiskey, roger, runway 23, clear to land.
Or 23, clear to land, 122 Papa Whiskey. And flaps. Nice little balloon. Good. Big bump. Alright, looking for our next point. Be right over these railroad tracks. And go ahead and start our turn. And power out, a little high. All good though. Keep this turn coming. Got the hockey arena. And roll out and flaps. Grease checked. And everything is still in the green. Cleared to land. Got 2-3. Bring this nose down a little bit. Might be a little high. Plenty of space though.
Traffic not available.
Go ahead and start our turn. Pick up the tappy. We are 1 high. Go ahead and sneak these flaps in. And turned a little early. Shoot. Okay, just get lined up. And power coming back a little bit. Hitting on the center line. High, nose down, looking for that 75. More power coming out, keeping the nose down.
Ground, more 5.
Back on the glide
More 5
slope.
ground.
I'm in area 22, I need to work along that.
Runway's made, power idle. Maintain that center line, level out,
4-5 roger.
and flare. Nice and soft. Tower 122 Papa Whiskey looking to taxi back to 23. You want me to turn off here at Echo?
2 Papa Whiskey, affirmative, turn right at Echo, taxi Echo Charlie, hold short, runway 17.
Taxi Echo, Charlie, hold short 17, 2 Papa Whiskey. Tower, Cessna 122 Papa Whiskey, holding short 23 on Charlie 2.
Cessna 122 Papa Whiskey, Kalamazoo Tower, wind 240 at 5, runway 23, clear for takeoff, make left or right traffic.
Clear for takeoff, 23, we'll make left traffic. 2 Papa Whiskey. Bang, clear final. Cleared on that side of the runway, and we're coming back out. Really high RPM there. Yeah, we can do this all day. Alright, so we are lined back up. Carb heat's in, flaps are up, mixture full rich, fuel both, trim set for takeoff, and we are clear for takeoff, brakes release, and full power. Instruments in the green. There's the line. There's 60, and rotate. The right rudder to keep the center line. Nose down just a touch. There's our 80. A little bit of trim to help us out. And climbing, looking for 1400.
Option runway 23, Pop Whiskey, full stop. And Whiskey, Roger, runway 23, clear to land.
Clear to land, 23, 122, Pop Whiskey. RP, power. Okay. In the white arc, flaps coming in. Nice little 3 count, checking them, good to go. Picking up our point, got it off the wing here. Crossing over the railroad tracks, bringing her around left. Little rudder to help us out. Everything's still looking good. Degree flaps. Checked. Got 2-3. They're cleared to land. Try to make this turn a little bit better. Go ahead and roll. 4 white. Bring back power.
Traffic not available.
Coming around. A little bit better, still a little early. Alright, flaps 30. There. Lighten off. Balloon. Bringing power back a little bit. Keeping that nose down. Increase a little bit. We're back up to 70. Nose still coming down. Back on the glide slope. Still got our 70. Our runway is made, power to idle. Back pressure, blow it out, and flare.
Envoy 3369, Kalamazoo Tower, wind 240 at 5, runway 17, you're clear to land.
Tower 122 Papa Whiskey, looking to taxi back to 23, Trumpet Echo.
Op 3, Kalamazoo ground, regional jet inbound, 8 mile final.
Roger, let me pick up one of these guys and then we'll exit on the east side into area 16.
Op 3, roger. Cessna 2 Papa Whiskey, turn right there at Echo, turn right on Charlie, hold short runway 17.
Turn right at Echo, right turn on Charlie, hold short 17, 2 Papa Whiskey. Alright, and car feed in, flaps coming up.
Cessna 2 Papa Whiskey, runway 23, clear for takeoff.
Runway 23, clear for takeoff, make left traffic, 122 Papa Whiskey.
2 Papa Whiskey, affirmative left traffic.
Kalamazoo ground, 7 Air 1519 Sierra, that's the house.
Calling ground on tower. Clear, clear.
7 Air 1519 Sierra, Kalamazoo ground, runway 17 at Foxtrot, taxi via Foxtrot, hold short of taxiway Bravo.
And we get lined up here. You're clear for takeoff. Alright, so car Pete's in, flaps are up, mixture full pop, overhead.
Taxi via Bravo,
Both.
hold short.
Our lights are on, brakes release, and full power. Little right rudder. Maintain that center line. Everything's in the green, looking good. Airspeed's alive. There's our 60. Go ahead and rotate. It's Brady.
Envoy 3369, 3 at Alpha, continue Alpha Charlie.
Thing out a little bit. That's the wind direction.
3 ground. Aircraft will be parting runway 17 here.
Roger, let me shift a little bit here, go north, and then I'll clear off.
Op 3, roger.
There's our 1400. And we get in the left turn.
Ground after he's cleared, hold short.
Op 3, roger.
Go ahead and roll out. Keep go. There's our pattern up. Go ahead and pull it back. Come on.
Kalamazoo clearance, Grumman 28584.
Grumman 28584, Kalamazoo clearance.
I'd like to, we have Bravo and do a VFR flight from Kalamazoo to Coldwater with a practice RNAV 25 approach, followed by a practice ILS approach into Battle Creek, and then back to Kalamazoo with a RNAV 17 at 3.
Go ahead and level off here.
Grumman 584, roger. What runway, what approach did you want at Battle Creek?
I'm sorry, our ILS 23 right.
Grumman 584, roger, standby.
Not sure where that Devon Air went.
7 Air 1519 Sierra, Kalamazoo Tower, wind 250 at 4, runway 17 at Foxtrot, clear for takeoff, use caution for the vehicle on the left.
Upgrades.
Sierra, turn right heading 230.
Tower 122 Papa Whiskey beam.
Cessna 122 Papa Whiskey, runway 23, clear for the option.
Runway 23, clear for the option. It's going to be a full stop. It'll be the last one. 122 Papa Whiskey.
Cessna 2 Papa Whiskey, roger.
Alright. Check the flaps. Good there. That point. Roll up and past it. We are high. Wait on him a little bit there. No big deal. You're well short of 1,000 footers on the last couple. I'll level off here. Flaps in. Check.
Traffic not available.
Yeah, verify 23.
Seven Air 19er Sierra, contact departure.
Keeping that nose down.
Grumman 584, verify, do you want to do these approaches IFR or VFR?
VFR.
Grumman 584, roger. Maintain VFR at 3000. Departure frequency 119.2, squawk 4343.
Getting a little slow, bring the nose down. And go ahead and start that turn.
For 3,000 feet, departure frequency 119.2 and squawking 4343.
Right on the glide slope. Looking good.
Calling, say again.
Maintenance 3.
Maintenance 3, go ahead.
Here at Bravo 2, I'd like to drive out on a runway 17 and do work at the intersection of 17 and Bravo 3.
Getting a little high here.
Maintenance 3, proceed as requested, hold short runway 27.
A little fast.
Hold short 27, maintenance 3.
Fast and high. Big deal. Pull the power back. Back on speed.
28584 southeast, taxi with Bravo.
Gain that center line.
Coming 28584, Kalamazoo ground, runway 17, taxi via Delta.
Runway's
runway
made.
27, hold short runway 23.
Power back to idle. Nose staying down.
Okay, that's taxi to runway 17 via Delta, across 27, hold short.
A little bit of a gust. Hold it off. And touchdown. Tower 122, Papa Whiskey, looking to taxi back to Duncan.
Cessna 122 Papa Whiskey, taxi to Duncan via Alpha Charlie, this frequency.
Taxi to Duncan, Alpha Charlie, stay on this frequency, 122 Papa Whiskey.